What I do, guys, basically, yeah, I do some real estate. Yeah, I do a lot of construction, and I do consulting for when you have a problem. I come out and I try to help you fix it. If I can't fix it, I put you in the right direction, or I at least help you with the cost analysis. That's our main thing, focus. Whether it's helping an insurance carrier, helping an attorney, helping a homeowner, or even ourselves, depending on what we're doing, because we do a lot of construction as well, is helping people with cost analysis. But our main thing, guys, is problem solving. We problem solve an industry that has a lot of flaws. We want to make sure that we take care of people, and we're not out to help somebody get over on anybody else. It's not a homeowner on a contractor on a homeowner. But I get competitors that call me asking how they should handle a situation, how they should handle an insurance company. So my whole thing in life, and my new motto in life, and my mission is to be a problem solver, to help an industry that has a lot of flaws get a lot better. But in the long run, you help enough people, you get what you want out of life. And I want to say that I am very blessed to have the team that I have, from the attorneys we work with, the homeowners we work with, the business owners we work with, all the way to Steve McNally, Chris Hamilton, Rusty Lane, and all the guys that work in the field, all the way down to our property facility maintenance division. I can't do it without them. I'm so thankful that God has given me the people that I have. What can I say? But guys, if you need anything, you need help with something, you just have a question, call me on my cell. I'm more than happy to help at any given time. Find us on the web at addisonriley.com, Facebook at Addison Riley LLC, and call me directly if you need me. I'm always here for anybody who needs to just ask a question. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.